name Avani. I've been associated with the hybrid learning program at Wellinger since the last 16 years. This hybrid learning program, it offers a wide range of opportunities, right from people who are highly experienced as far as work is concerned to freshers. One of the most crucial aspects of this program is that we offer a PCP program. It's called Personal Contact Program. This is very, very important because here the student is directly coming in touch with the professor, associating himself or herself during those lectures. Major concepts are covered and discussed, and also a lot of information is put forward. Here in this personal contact program, the student is very much able to clarify doubts, understand the prime concept of every single subject. Besides this, we have lectures which are recorded, lectures which are online, lectures which are uploaded. So a whole lot of facilities are provided. This is a program really worth joining. Trust me, you're not only shaping your career, you're shaping your entire destiny. So this is one program you must join.